Hello friends, I am Dr. Prachi Patil. Today we are here to discuss about low back pain. These days, 80% of the population throughout the world would suffer from low back pain at least once in their life cycle. Racial and ethnic backgrounds would have more impact of low back pain because of the treatment availability they get in their environments. The first and the only symptom of low back pain is pain. You'll have pain localized in your low back area, that is this segment of your body. You can have radiating pain, you can have localized pain, you can have only one side is painful, you can have tender points on your spine. It is very important to differentiate yourself between acute, subacute and chronic conditions. If you are in acute stage, you will have pain from 0 to 4 weeks. If you are having pain in subacute condition, you will have pain from 6 weeks from 6 months, and in chronic conditions whatever beyond 6 months is your chronic case. We'll have two kind of back pain. First is mechanical back pain. Second is radiating back pain. In mechanical back pain, you'll have only localized pain, that is only near your spinal area. And in radiating pain, you'll have all the radiating pain throughout your legs from your spine, or you can have from your spine to your thighs. This is when your nerve is involved, your nerve is getting compressed. The first and the most important cause is your improper posture throughout your life. If you are sitting in improper posture, you are sitting in slouched posture, you are sitting in sideways posture for longer periods. If you are working from 8 to 10 hours in wrong postures, if you are continuously squatting, holding heavy objects, this is also a reason for low back pain. Identify which one is your posture, and according to your posture you can have different sides of pain. Secondly, you can have low back pain because of disc related degenerative changes, inflammation at your spinal levels. If your facets are locked, we have facets in our spinal joint which gets interlocked with each other because of lack of mobility, that is lack of activity. If you are having sedentary lifestyle, this is the major cause for your low back pain. Then post pregnancy also, and in pregnancy also, you can have low back pain because of the structural changes, and the tone of your abdomen is considerably reduced after pregnancy. You can have pain after lifting heavy weights or with any injury to the back, any trauma to the back can also lead to low back pain. What are the treatment options available? Rest is the first thing. You need to reduce back to your activity. No bed rest is recommended. Second, improve your postures. Improve your postures in your lifestyle while lifting, standing, sitting, etc. Third, improve your footwear. Get a proper footwear for you, suitable for you for your low back pain. Maintain healthy weight and stay active. While doing your desktop job, your legs should be supported properly, your spine should be supported properly, your hands should be supported properly, and the distance between your eye level and laptop should be 25 centimeters. These are the key points of control where you can have pain if you are not sitting properly and in correct posture. This kind of posture can lead in upper back pain. Sitting in wrong postures can lead to foggy brain, strained neck, sore shoulders, heart disease, overproductive pancreas, colon cancer, weak abdominals, and soft glutes, that is weakening of gluteal muscles. No, traction is not the only method of treatment for low back pain. We have different protocols like cupping, dry needling, interferential currents, and exercise protocols like Pilates and McKenzie exercises. Frequently asked questions. We have a list of frequently asked questions. I'll answer all those. First is, if my back hurts, should I limit my mobility? If your back is hurting, you need to reduce back to your activity. Don't limit or don't stop your activity. Will lying on ground help with back pain? See, if you are having heavy foamed beds and you are sleeping on that, after sleeping for 8 to 10 hours in morning, you can have sprains or strain because of the postures you have in your bed because of the extra foam. If you are sleeping down to ground, then some people would have pain with this also. It is completely optional and completely up to you whether to sleep on bed or ground. Are there any vitamins I can take to help my back pain? Yes, magnesium would help you. You can get magnesium from spinach and other fruits. You can add them in your diet. This will reduce your inflammation of your spine. How can I relieve my back pain in car? See, you need to use a backrest which will help you to support your spine for long hours. Secondly, you can stretch out at regular intervals. This would also help you. Thank you so much. I hope I solved all your queries related to back pain. Thank you so much.